Hello friends, welcome to my channel Tech HD. So in this video, I'm going to show you how you can set up our official mail in Outlook. So let's start the video. So first of all, we need to open Outlook. Now we have to type the email address which we want to configure here. So let's type the email address. Now we have to go to advanced option and we have to click let me set up my account manually. Now we have to click next. So it will take some time, you have to wait for it. Now from here we'll create a pop account. So you have to click pop. Now as you can see, you have to give our incoming mail server and outgoing mail server, and you have to give the encryption none. Now if you don't have any PHP files for backup, so you have to click next. Now from here we have to give the password of our mail address. So let's give the password. After giving the password, you have to click connect. So it will take some time and it will configure. So you have to click OK here. Now as you can see, our mail has successfully configured and it is showing us the inbox of our mail which is coming. So as you can see on the right, we are receiving the mails. So it will take some time to download all the mails, so we have to wait for it. After downloading the mail, it will save on the PST file for a backup. So this is how we can configure our official email in Outlook. So thanks for watching this video. Please subscribe to my channel. Thank you.